pressure on it, the friction was going to cause it to lock up, and then we stop falling. The problem with this is once it locks up, it's hard to unlock, and you're stuck up there. You got to figure out how to get out of it.
I think most of the kids enjoy it, especially when we can do more of the hands-on stuff. This is my second year teaching the program, and that's what I'm trying to transition it into, is more of a hands-on day-to-day training, more like actually coming to a fire station instead of coming to a classroom.
So far, I've done 2 stations, and the station over there, we really just climbed up the ladder, and they're explaining their technical rescue team, which means they do like high-rise rescues, close contained rescues, sea rescues. And then this station, they were just showing us the fire rescue engine truck, which has a lot more extra things, like battery-powered cutters, spreaders, and the ram. And just overall here, there's a lot more stuff. What I've learned about this engine right here is that they're like the last resort. Like if you really need backup, just call them.
So we brought the experts out to back up the basic information that I taught them over the last month. And they all came over here today to demonstrate different technical rescue aspects and ropes and knots and hoisting tools, because that's what we were learning this last month.
It's also a great opportunity because not a lot of schools have first-hand opportunity to get like a gist of what firefighters do. All I have to say is I highly recommend it. It's a really fun program, no regrets whatsoever.